Hey folks, this is Kilana with Intuitive Solutions, and I'm going to show you how to create a community campaign page on the LaunchGood platform. That way you can create a campaign to support a cause or an organization that you believe in. So first you're going to go to launchgood.com. You're going to click login or sign up. I'm just going to use my Facebook account to make it easy. Once you're logged in or signed up, you're going to type in the community address that the campaign organizer provided for you. So you probably got something in a text message or an email. Type in that address. In this case, I'm going to use the Islamic Scholarship Fund as our example. Once you type in that address, you'll get to that organization's community and you'll click on Start a Campaign. This will open a new window for you. And first you're going to choose how much money you would like to raise on behalf of this organization. So I'm going to choose something real simple and reasonable, say $1,000. And you're going to choose a title that relates to the campaign itself. So I'm going to say Help Kilana Support ISF. And just like that, your community campaign has been created. We just have to go through a few quick steps to make it go live. So first you'll notice that in the Get Started section we have a red X. That means we're missing some information. Let's go through it and see. Our campaign goal is set, $1,000. The funding type will be set for you. Don't change it. Campaign title, we already chose that. Campaign tagline, this will be set for you. You're welcome to change it if you like. Campaign image has been set. You can change it if you like. The date is set. You want to put in your phone number and verify it. That way you can get text messages and updates if there's anything wrong with your account or if you get donations or questions. The only portion that you need to fill out on this section is really going to be your location. So use your personal location since this is you raising funds for this organization or cause. The categories will already be set for you. Just click Save and Next. You'll notice that the red X is turned into a green check. That means we filled out everything correctly on that page and we can move on to the next section. Now tell your story. Tell your story is the most important part of a community campaign page. This is your opportunity to share with your friends and family and peers why you believe in this cause and why you think they should support it too. So we're going to click Edit. And you'll already have some dummy text in place for you here. So in this case, you'll see it says delete this text. In this example, we're using ISF, and we get a little bit of guidance on what to write. This is where you write your story. So you could say why you support the program, why should other people support it. You can give a list, you can say the top 5 reasons why the program's important. You just want to make it interesting and compelling. So we're going to delete this text here. And I've already typed out my top 5 reasons to support the Islamic Scholarship Fund. I'm going to paste that here. Sometimes LaunchGood throws some extra spaces in. You can leave them if you like or delete them. We'll fix it for you either way. So I've got my top 5 reasons why folks should support ISF. Now I'm going to go to the very top here and I'm going to click this photo button. It's very important that you add a photo of yourself to your campaign so that people can identify that it's you personally raising funds for this organization or cause. So I'm just going to choose a random photo off my computer here. This is not a photo of me, but this is one of the scholarship recipients for ISF. I'm just going to borrow her photo for a moment. Okay, so I've got my photo up. I've got my reason why people should support ISF, for example. And then all of this text down here, you'll always see some information about the organization that's already there for you. I would just recommend leaving that there. You can edit it if you like, but it's usually pretty well customized to teach people a little bit more about the organization outside of your personal story. So once this is done, just click Save. And now your story is done. Payment information will always have a green check. because a community campaign, the funds collected go directly to the organization that you're raising funds for, so you don't have to worry about this section. On Enhance, you don't have to fill out these top portions here, but it is encouraged. So let's say you really love this organization, you're very passionate about it, and you want to share a video. You want to say, why it's important to you, what impact it's had on your life. You're welcome to share a video link here in this section. Now, truthfully, anyone who uses a video in their campaign usually does better. Folks love video. So if you do, just record something with your phone and put it on YouTube and share the link here, chances are your campaign will do a little bit better than most people's. The team member section will automatically have the campaign organizer attached, so make sure to leave that there. And the next portion that you're required to fill out is to create your own short URL. So you may not have to fill out the video section, but you do need to choose a URL especially for your campaign. So I usually choose something really easy, Kilana for ISF, for example. Of course, I've already used this example, so I'm just going to say for Kilana for ISF. You can choose whatever short, easy to remember URL you like. I recommend just using the format like Fatima for Care or Mohammed for Tissa, or whatever the organization is you're supporting. Usually just your name and that organization with the number 4 between it is a really easy thing to remember. So I'm going to choose that one, save and next. Now your giving levels will already be created for you. You can leave this and just click and just finish off, but in case you want to change it, I'm going to show you how. So in my campaign, I decided I just want to try to raise $1,000. So I don't want to have this 2,500 one here, the 5,000 or 10,000. So I'm just going to delete it. Delete, click OK. Delete, click OK. And delete and click OK. All right, now all of my donation levels are under 1,000. You don't have to change them, even if your campaign amount is even $500 or $250. You can leave all of the giving levels there all the way up until 10,000 or whatever the highest number is. It's fine. Sometimes you want to create a lower giving level if you're raising like a lower amount. So just to show you how, I'm going to walk you through it. To add a giving level, I'm going to say, let me do $25. I'm going to give it a simple title. I'm going to call it Giver. And I'm going to give a description. You are giving to support a great cause. Thank you. And then just click Save Changes. And then your new lower giving level, or in some cases you might want to create a higher giving level, will be created. Now my campaign is done. The next most important step and final step is to click Go Live. Now, once your campaign's live, don't panic. You can still edit it if you want to go in and make any adjustments or change the campaign goal. You'll be able to edit it. But by clicking Go Live, you can now share your link with other people and then come and start donating. So let's click Go Live. You're going to get a message that it's going to be reviewed, but actually your campaign will be on auto approve. So as soon as you click Go Live, you'll notice the campaign will go live. Now let's look and see what our campaign looks like, shall we? Help Kilana support ISF. Now let me show you. This is the long link, but we chose a short link, right? So let's test it. Kilana for ISF. Let's see if that's going to give us a good redirect. And there it is. Redirects us to the correct page. So there's your title. There's your tagline. My goal of $1,000. Here's the main campaign image that I decided not to change. Here is a sample photo. Here's my story. And then here's all of the text that the organization put for me to share more about them. Here's the giving level I added and all the giving levels that were already provided for me. And that's it. Super easy. You now have your own community campaign page for the organization that you believe in.